Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit step by step. First, you need to confirm your eligibility, as requirements vary significantly based on your specific immigration category. Next, collect all required documents, such as your valid passport, visa, and any supporting evidence for your eligibility. Finally, carefully fill out Form I-765, the application for employment authorization, ensuring all sections are completed correctly to avoid delays. Once your form is complete, you'll need to pay the filing fee. For most applicants, this is $410, but always check for current fees. Don't forget to include 2 recent passport-style photos taken within the last 30 days to meet the photo requirements. Finally, mail your entire application package to the designated USCIS Service Center for your region. Double-check the address to ensure it reaches the correct location. After submitting your application, you will receive a receipt notice from USCIS, usually within 2 to 3 weeks, confirming they have your package. You might also be scheduled for a biometrics appointment, where your fingerprints and photo will be taken. It's crucial to attend this appointment if requested. You can track your application's progress online using the receipt number provided on your notice. The processing time for a work permit can vary, often taking several months, so patience is key. If your application is approved, you will receive your Employment Authorization Document, or EAD card, in the mail. This card is your official proof of work authorization in the United States. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.